So here's a good example how the game dynamically creates opportunities just from the sandbox. We have a big 𝗟𝗨 fleet, a battle group, which is an offensive fleet. And if we check their information panel, you can see that their destination is headed to beta. That's a sector. And if we take a look on the galaxy map, you can see that it's a xenon sector. So what that means is that the 𝗟𝗨s are attacking the xenon and try to capture that sector. And since we learned that xenon sectors are blacklisted, the other factions actually do the same thing. They tell their ships to stay away from here. Basically their salvage crews, but their standard freighters are still traveling through. So we have split freighters trying to reach factories here. The faction will only fly around that xenon sector if it's doing really bad. Then that means we have a lot of loot probably floating in this sector. And if the 𝗟𝗨 are attacking it right now, then this is an opportunity to us to follow them and pick up the goodies before they do when they have captured the sector. So I have called my TL and we are parking him at the east gate and wait until the 𝗟𝗨 go in. And then we follow with our large transport and try to get as many of the valuable loot as we can get. My TL is one sector up north, coming from a jump beacon that I have here. And I have 3 freighters in tow, so we have a lot of cargo space to cram lots of loot in there. And loot is basically like money, so it gets you ahead in the game.